New at 5, a California Highway Patrol sergeant is accused of violating a court order by failing to surrender a stockpile of about 100 guns while under a domestic violence restraining order in Shasta County. According to the law offices of Berg and Associates, Sergeant Timothy Hinkson violated a restraining order for domestic violence filed and secured by his wife. They say he only turned in his department-issued handgun but did not sell or store his personal firearms as ordered by the court. The firm says Hinkson's wife is concerned he could try to retrieve the weapons. Hinkson is scheduled to appear before a Shasta County judge for trial tomorrow.